Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Passwords and Security. Then tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, choose Start and click on Next in the Attention pop-up. Now you need to remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then you can name your face data however you wish to and save it by choosing Done. After that, adjust all of those settings however you wish to, and if you wish to, click on Add Face Data here to add another scan. Then click on Home button. Now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete it though, you can always go back into exactly the same settings, tap on Current Face Data and choose Delete Face Data over here. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!